Yo, welcome back guys to another video. Today's video is another video that we're gonna add to our YouTube channel is tutorial videos. This tutorial is how to create a Zoom meeting. Most of my fans ask me to make this video, so I wanted to make it. This video is about how to create a Zoom meeting on Windows and iOS devices. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, we have some timestamps in the description below. You can skip it to the Windows or iOS part. First of all, you should open the Zoom app on your Windows. Of course, you should download it. And for how to make a Zoom meeting is to make a new meeting. Just click on the new meeting section. Let me mute it. And now you're the host. And it's very easy. You can share a screen here. You can put some files by Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and other type of websites. And there's another thing, you can use chats. If you have a lot of members in it, you can private chat them or put a file here. You can record it. You can put reactions. And if you wanna invite people to your Zoom meeting, just click here. Just click on invite. You can copy the invitation link or just send them with Gmail or Yahoo or your default email. And it's that simple. We made a Zoom meeting, and if you wanna end it, just end for all, or you can just leave the meeting by yourself. And if you want to join a meeting, just for example, these are meetings at the past, so you can join them. And that's it actually. This is the Windows part, and now let's get right to the iOS part.
And now guys, for the iOS one, we just open Zoom. And we click on it's same as the Windows one. We click on the new meeting and start a meeting. That's it. It's actually same as the Windows one. I'm glad that you got some information, and catch you guys in another video. Peace out.